Not even a single strand of hair will fall out with this powerful hair mask, and you will be honestly shocked if you are dealing with hair fall, breakage, or dry damaged hair. This may be the solution you have been searching for, because most people are using the wrong treatment, and that is why their hair keeps breaking. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kelechi, and I'm sharing powerful natural remedies that actually work for hair growth and hair repair. Today, I am showing you a simple but extremely powerful hair mask that will help you to reduce hair fall and bring your hair back to life. So if your hair is falling out in your combs, breaking when you touch it, or feeling dry and weak, then your hair is lacking strength and moisture, and this mask fits both. We are using just 3 ingredients: fresh okra, cornstarch, and moringa powder. Simple but very powerful. So our first ingredient is okra. This is what gives your hair that slimy gel. It coats your strands, reduce breakage, and instant softness for dry hairs. First thing you must do before you start slicing your okra, make sure you wash it, okay, to remove dirty and impurities. After washing it, then go ahead and slice it. You can use more larger okra or less, okay, depend on how quantity you want to make your deep conditioner or your hair mask. So after slicing it, I will go ahead to blend it, okay. The reason of blending it, I want to get that thick consistent of okra gel, okay. So if you don't have blender, just go ahead and boil your okra or use your mortar and pestle to pound it. So I'm trying to use my hand blender to blend it, but it's not working, so I need to transfer it to my normal blender. After blending it, I transfer it to my pot, okay, then add a little water to it, okay. So I will bring it to a boil. I need to boil this only 2 to 3 minutes. Do not boil it more than 2 to 3 minutes, please, so that you not kill the nutrient of this okra. Please, this part is very important. 2 to 3 minutes is okay. Once the okra have boiled, please off your gas immediately, okay. The reason of boiling this okra may be to kill some germs or some bacteria that come with this okra, so it's not really necessary you must boil it. But if you want to boil it, just 2 to 3 minutes is okay. Once it's 2 to 3 minutes, off it and strain your okra. So I did a mistake. Immediately I bring it down, I bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it. Please don't do this, okay. It will burn your hand. This really burned my hand, so please do not do it. Reason why I did it immediately, because I want to use this recipe immediately. So please just get patient. I like to cool down for some minutes, then you can go ahead and strain it. Make sure you use something that have very tiny hole to strain this, so that you not have okra residues on your gel. So after straining this amount of okra gel I got so far, now let's move on to our second ingredient, the cornstarch. Some call it cornstarch, some call it corn flour. Anyone, they are the same, okay. This cornstarch smooths your hair and help reduce friction, which means less hair snapping and less hair fall. It also condition your hair, leave your hair shinier, healthier, and promote hair growth. So it also thicken up your hair. Yes, consistent of using cornstarch, it can also achieve thicker, healthy hair, okay. So what I just did is to measure out 2 tablespoons of my cornstarch, add water to it to dissolve it. This part is very necessary. Make sure you use water to dissolve your cornstarch before you adding it to your okra gel. Do not add your cornstarch direct into your okra gel. You will get a lot of lumps, and this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for smooth, powerful conditioner, okay, not a lumps conditioner, please. So make sure you do this part, okay. So once I'm through melting it, and make sure that there's no lumps in that cornstarch with water, then I'll transfer it to my okra gel and mix it very well. Make sure it have combined very well and no lumps or whatsoever. So after mixing it very smooth, so the next thing now is to transfer it to my pot because I want it to get thicker, okay? So boiling it is the option to achieve that thickness I'm looking for, okay? So but you must not be away from it. Just stay there and continue stirring it. Just a minute is ready, okay? But if you put it on the pot and leave it, it will get burned, and also it also get lumps, okay? So make sure you are there, continue stirring it, and once it have got thick, just bring it down. Do not allow it to get over thick. Just this little thickness, bring it down, because once it have cooled down, it also get more thicker, okay? So do not boil it more than a minute or a minute and please don't allow it to get burned or get lumps. Continue stirring it so that you can achieve smooth, perfect conditioner we are looking for, okay? So once mine have gotten a minute and see the consistency I'm looking for, immediately I'll bring it down, then move to the next step. Our third ingredient is moringa powder. So what we need is the moringa powder, not the moringa leaf, okay? Make sure you have the powder formula, okay? That's what we need for this hair mask. So I bring a bowl and a shifter to shifter my moringa powder so that this my deep conditioner or this my hair mask can come out very smooth without having any particles or any residues on my hair, so that the rinse out can be very, very simple. So make sure you do this process, okay, so that you get that smooth conditioner, okay? So I just measure 2 tablespoons of my moringa. After shifting it, so the next thing now is to add a little hot water to make a paste, okay, to make moringa paste, okay? So make sure you use hot water. Do not use cold water for this. The reason of me using hot water is to activate this moringa, so that the moringa powder can release the nutrient very well to activate the power of this moringa, okay? So moringa is packed with vitamins that strengthen your roots and support healthy hair growth. There is a lot of benefits in moringa. Moringa can also help to thicken your hair, grow your hair like never before, and also give you that healthy hair can ever imagine. Please can carry on your research. If you don't really know about moringa, just do a research on it and you'll be very mind-blowing on the benefits of moringa. So I just add some water to it. After adding some water, this is the paste I have made so far with my moringa. So now let's move on to the next step. So the next step now is to bring our boiled okra gel and the cornstarch, transfer it into the moringa paste. So the next thing now is to mix it very well. Voila, your powerful deep conditioner or your powerful hair mask is ready to be used. I kid you not, this hair mask will grow your hair like never before. With consistency of using this hair mask, no more hair fall, no more hair breakage, no more stagnant growth, and no more hair shedding. This hair mask packed with a lot of powerful ingredients that will help you to solve those your hair problem. As you can see, it's very simple to prepare with only 3 ingredients, but these 3 ingredients, they are very, very powerful, very, very potent, and the solution to those your hair problem. I'm not even capping. With consistency of using this hair mask, you will never recognize your hair. As you can see, any conditioner you are using that not contain a lot of sleep, don't use that conditioner, because conditioner help you a whole lot to less breakage and also help you a whole lot to retain length. So this conditioner is all you need to grow your hair. Just try to be consistent with it. You will never pack your hair on the floor. You will never experience a lot of breakage or hair fall or dry hair. This can also help to repair those your damaged hair and also fix those your dry hair. This works so amazing. I'm not even capping. A trial will convince you. So I just add oil to it, okay? Oil is necessary to lock in the moisture, so you can use any of your hair growth oil you have at home. This opportunity for you to use those your DIYs oil you have at home, okay? Just use 1 or 2 tablespoons of it. You are good to go. Then mix it very well. Then our powerful hair mask is ready to be used. So let me show you how to use this hair mask to solve those your hair problems and to grow your hair like never before, okay? To get good results, please Pay close attention so that you can follow the full step to achieve that better result with this powerful hair mask. Okay, so first thing you must do if you want to get good results with this hair mask, if you want to get all the benefits of this ingredient and this hair mask to work wonders on your hair, do not use it on a dirty hair, please. This is a hair mask, so if you want to get better results, use it on a fresh wash hair. Secondly, do not use it on a dry hair. Even though you have washed your hair, maybe your hair have got dry, there's no water again on your hair, please do not apply this hair mask on your hair. So I'm trying to show you guys, my hair was dry, so I'm trying to apply it on my hair, so for you guys to see that applying it on a dry hair, it will not work. Okay, so if you want to get better results, use it on a damp hair or on a wet hair, so in that way it will work more better. Your hair strands can absorb it very well to get better results. Okay, this part is very necessary, do not skip it, it's very necessary. Okay, so now after wetting your hair and washing your hair, okay, so the next thing you must do now is to apply this from your root to your hair tip. Massage it very well, okay, but focus on your scalp. That is where the hair fall started. Okay, your scalp is the target. Okay, and also your hair strands, to strengthen your hair strands, to repair that damaged hair, and also to stop that dry hair. It also need on your hair strands. So this hair mask needed on your scalp and also on your hair strands for better results. Do not apply it only on your hair strands or only on your scalp. Apply it the two both for better results. Okay, and another thing you must do is to work in session to get good results. If you do not work in session, you will not get good result, because this hair mask will not cover all over your hair. But if you work in session, you'll be 100% sure that you have applied this hair mask generously in the all the tire of your hair. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so after applying it and working in session, the next thing we do is to give yourself a gentle scalp massage. It's very important. Okay, just a little scalp massage, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, to increase blood flow to your scalp, so that this hair mask can work so wonderful to get all the good benefits. Because when blood flow increase, you will get faster growth, faster thickness, and also better results with this hair mask. Please do not skip scalp massaging if you want to get good result with this. Okay, scalp massage work a whole lot. Okay, do not skip it, just 3 to 5 minutes is okay. Then after massaging your scalp, the next thing is to cover up your hair with your shower cap. Then if you have steamy cap, use your steamy cap to cover up your hair, to steam up your hair. Is very necessary. But if you don't have steamy cap, you can use warm towel to cover your hair. This part is very necessary. It will help track more heat into your hair, so that the hair mask can work so amazing and you get faster result. Especially if your hair is low porosity, do not skip steaming up your hair with your towel or your scalp steamer. Okay, but if you don't have steamy cap or warm towel, just use shower cap, like 2 or 3 shower cap to cover up your hair. Then use thick cloth to wrap your hair. You allow it to sit on your hair like up to 1 to 2 hours. Okay, but if you are using steamy cap, you can just allow it to sit on your hair like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay, then you can go ahead and rinse it off. So this is how you can use this powerful hair mask to achieve better results. Okay, so use this once in a week, okay, for good results. Honestly, this work like magic. This will thicken your hair like crazy. You can also use it as your detangler. As you can see, it has a lot of slip with it. Okay, as you can see, it has a lot of slip. This will condition your hair like crazy, stop that dryness, breakage, promote faster hair growth. I'm not even capping, okay? After using this consistent, you start noticing your hair will stop falling out, you start getting softer hair, and your hair will becoming stronger and looking more fuller hair with consistent of using it. And this result will come in only 1 month of being consistent of using this. Consistent is the key. If you want to get better results with this hair mask, please try to be consistent with it and you will never ever regret it, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know if you be trying this, okay? And come back and tell me your result. I can't wait to hear from you, okay? So guys, please, if you have not joined this amazing family, do well to join by liking the video, subscribing and sharing this with your family and friends for those that struggle with hair fall, stagnant growth, hair shedding and damaged dry hair. This hair mask will help them a whole lot, okay? So after applying this my hair mask, this is how my hair is looking like. This hair mask is banger. I'm not even capping, okay? It also helps to define your coils. Guys, please go ahead and try it and come back and share your testimony with us, okay? So guys, we have come to end of today's video. So guys, let me know in comment section below, have you tried this hair mask before, or which of the ingredients is your favorite? Let me know in comment section below, okay? And also please let me know where you're watching me from, okay? I would love to know where you're watching me from, okay? So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Please be safe out there, okay? Remain blessed. Bye.